Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to fix Hamster Kombat if you are unable to log in. Now, Hamster Kombat is accessible via Telegram. As you can see here, we are at our Telegram app, and as you can see here, we have Hamster Kombat here. Now, how do you do that? Just search for Hamster Kombat, right? Like that, and you'll see it. It's the main one has a check mark, kind of like a Twitter check mark, a verified check mark. And it's, as you can see, the info is at hamster_combat_bot, right? It has over 155 million users. So to know that it's legit. So that's the main bot. When you get here, you just need to tap or type /start, and you will be good to go. Now, sometimes this doesn't work, or even if you do this, this is all you can see. If you tap play, we're going to be brought to the Hamster Kombat app. It is not available on the Play Store or App Store. There's a fake, but you don't need to do that. And here, what you need to do is, if you're unable to get here, there are a few things you can do, right? One of the first things you need to do is check your Wi-Fi, right? If you check on your Wi-Fi, make sure that it's good. Make sure that it is working properly. After that, make sure that, let's get out of here. Make sure that your Telegram app is up to date, right? If it's not up to date, it's got to say update. Tap on the update button so that you can do that. And another thing you can do is go to your settings. So this is for Android, but it's pretty much the same for Apple. Go to apps, and then on the apps, just search for Telegram, and then go to storage and clear your cache, and then try again. Now, if it still doesn't work, you might need to, again, go back to Telegram. You might need to do the /start over again to start the process, to jumpstart the process all over again. And that should work. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.